Here comes the window frame.
Woo! No way. It's like we like our job or something. An 8?
Oh, yeah, what's down here? Okay.
We just need to see what's going on right here.
Oh, yeah. It could be the siding, because one side is in, the other side is out.
Yeah.
Is the narrow or the wide?
Let me see your pop. This is narrow.
So after they got the window frame popped in there, it was determined that a wider flashing would do a better job. The siding kind of bows a little bit, making it difficult to fit the narrower flashing. So they're going to the trouble to swap it out.
Just a heads up, we don't caulk the top of the flashing.
We caught 2 inches in.
2 inches in, just like how you're seeing it right there.
Okay.
2 inches in the corner there, but we don't caulk the top. If the siding does fail, it needs work, you know, for the water to come out, so it'll come over this. If we caulk this, the water will just build up.
Okay.
If it does leak.
Way better.
Just doing this for the camera.
In goes Sash number 1.
That felt so good.
Did you get poked?
I got you. Yeah, it went right into my armpit.
Oh, no. Nice.
This right here is Fibrex. Everything about this window is made out of Fibrex.
And that's resistant to
So
expanding.
any weather, temperature, it'll stay the same.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it's 43 1/4. Make sure it lines up. 43 1/4. These sleeves right here, we only put them in the middle. Helps me adjust that. And you got the same screws that goes on the outside edge here, without the sleeve. This one here, because we don't need to adjust that up and down, just the middle. Our windows is a lot more complicated than the other ones out there. Slides pretty smooth. The process of cleaning, you know, you can just pick the window up, clean it out,
Wash it.
clean both sides without messing with the screen.
Yeah. Don't have to get in the garden.
Same thing with this guy. Yeah, up.
I really like that.
You don't have to mess with the screen. You don't have to get your boots dirty out there.
Yeah.
Just stay in here and do it in the comfort of your home, you know. You ever feel like you live in the islands? Take all of this out and just leave the screens on.
Yeah.
Summertime. There you go.
That wider flashing looks really good up there. 3 more windows to install. And what do we call this process?
Just making sure there's no dust there when I open this thing.
Oh.
Perfect. So it was just out of level by 3/16. Here, I'm gonna push this out a little bit so you can see where the shims are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
So we brought it up about 3/16 just so we can get it level. In order for it to operate properly, we needed to get it level and plumb.
There goes 2 Navy jets, known as the Growlers. The gap looks perfectly even all the way to the top.
Alright. 3 1/4. Then come up 16ths. You notice how these ones, like I was saying earlier, got sleeves on it?
Right.
This helped to adjust the middle so that way it doesn't sag, you know? So we got the hole plugs here. This is just to cover the screw holes.
Yeah.
You
Looks professional.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
Become a scar, man. I don't even think that thing is going away. Remember that day when I slipped out of that window? That was a bathroom window too.
You fell out of it?
Yeah, I was on a ladder and the ladder kicked out on me and then, you know.
Oh, ouch.
At the bottom. Okay, hold on, let me lean the top in. Okay, bottom. Up and in.
Oh,
The upper right corner
yeah.
is into the hole. There you go.
There you go. Yep.
One more frame to put in.
All right, last one. Perfect. That's good.
You get the goop.
Save the best for last.
Just got the inside of here.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
There we go. A little tight on this one, so gotta do a quick buzz.
Well, what did we say about the last one's
Yeah.
maybe not so easiest.
That's why I was like, not always.
Widen the opening a little bit so it would pop in there.
More that way. There we go.
I think about 1/4 inch. It's the only window that required that.
There we go. Yeah, we're perfect.
Sash number 1 for the last window. Sash number 2.
Tell me what you think.
Boy, it looks right on.
Good. You know, I'm pretty big on social media, so I got, you know, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat. Just those.
And I get mad at my boss when the revenue starts going down.
Uh-oh.
You're at the mercy of YouTube for what they do. Final work being done on the last window. All 7 windows are installed. Just a few more things to do on these on the back side of the house, and we're all done.
This right here is a secret weapon of cleaning right here. Magic erasers work like magic.
Even for the edge of windows, huh?
Oh yeah, that's perfect for everything, you know. If you scarf on the frame, this will do it. If you're gonna like do surface, like stuff like this, I'll get it wet a little bit. But if you do the glass, I would have been put in water.
Last window outside caulking. The final reveal of the 7th window from Renewal by Andersen. Wow, these windows are just beautiful. Something about them, it looks clearer through the window, like there's a bit of a polarizer or something built in.
Looks like we had a little bit of damage happen to your screen probably during shipping. They'll come replace it because it's got some rub marks right there. So
I see.
They'll end up sending a guy out named Charlie.
Okay.
And he'll come bring you a brand new screen, and it'll probably take 5 minutes, and he'll just swap it out.
What are those?
Those right here clip around that black thing right there, and it's just like it's like a secondary lock basically. So somebody couldn't pick that. I mean, if they really wanted to get in, they just punch their way through the screen, but so they can't pick that because I can stick my knife through there, and if I wanted to go down, I can bring that wing blade out. So that right there, I would have to go through that screen to physically lift that up off. So it's just a secondary lock.
Okay.
Lift up and in. That pops down. That pops in. Open this guy up. Just make sure we put that secondary lock back in place.
So we're doing a walkthrough. This is the last one that was installed, just to make sure that everything's working right and how to use it.
If a bird flies into this type of screen, is it gonna damage it?
Probably, but you know, you got warranty, so we replace it no matter what.
Thanks a lot. Love the windows. That was a lot of fun. They did a fantastic job.